Okay, so this is like my third attempt at this. Doing a Lazy Susan today.
Waves are talking to the shore tonight. Sand whispers secrets under the moonlight. Silence hums a melody so tender. The ocean's heart, it holds my surrender. Feel the rhythm of the tide, it's alive. Peaceful shores where dreams arrive. Underneath the stars we'll stay. Let the ocean carry us away.
Okay, so I'm not really happy with how this looks. I don't know. I want to maybe try to make it look like a geode inspired piece. So I think I'm gonna start with this gold and kind of follow the lines. See all this white just kind of came out of nowhere after I left it.
Feel the rhythm of the tide, it's alive. Peaceful shores where dreams arrive. Underneath the stars we'll stay. Let the ocean carry us away. Every wave a promise that lingers. The horizon's line sketches soft singers, echoing peace in every sound. This is where my spirit's found. Feel the rhythm of the tide, it's alive. Peaceful shores where dreams arrive. Underneath the stars we'll stay. Let the ocean carry us away. Waves crash loud like a beating drum. Sunrise glows as the day's begun. Skipping stones till the daylight's done. Life by the lake is so much fun. Jump right in, the water's gold. Stories here are never old. Catch the breeze and lose control. What a life to have and hold. spark like city lights. Reflections glow in the velvet night, singing loud till the stars take flight. Living wild feels so damn right. Jump right in.
All right, so it's the next day, and I have just sanded this down a tiny little bit. There's some places where it's not even. So I'm going to take this opportunity to just add a little more detail to this area here. And then I will be going over this with one more layer of resin, and then it should be done.
The moonlight paints the room in glow. A silent pulse begins to grow. Electric sparks ignite the air. I create like no one's there. With love, with heart, with passion, with soul. In the dead of night, I find my role. Every brushstroke, every beat so tight. I love creating art tonight. Shadows dance on the midnight wall. They whisper secrets, they hear my call. Neon colors flow through my veins. I paint my heartbeat through the pain. With love, with heart, with passion, with soul. In the dead of night, I find my role. Every brush.
Okay, here is the final piece. And I really do love how it came out. I hope you do too. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know what you think about this geode world Lazy Susan down in the comments. Thanks for being here. Have a great day. Bye.